if any Muslim country is attacked by a non-Muslim country, and the Muslim country take their defensive measures, will that be considered a jihad?
If a Muslim country is innocent and that Muslim country is attacked by a non-Muslim country, he has every right to defend her territory and defend their territory. But that will not be technically the jihad. If a Muslim country is attacked by an enemy for the purpose of destroying the freedom of practicing Islam, then it will be most certainly jihad in the best form.